Looking for the best automatic pot stirrer? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 automatic pot stirrer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. SAKI, Automatic Pot Mixer. Stirs at 2 different speeds. 2 BPA free stirring arms help keep your pan balanced. Adjusts to fit saucepans measuring 6 to 10.2 inches in diameter and between 4 and 8 inches high. Automatic stirrer is cordless and rechargeable, takes 4 hours to charge. Works with all kinds of pots. Rechargeable and highly adjustable, this auto stirrer can handle everything from thin sauces to chunky chili. Works well with a variety of meals, but some report that it may leave some cream-based dishes scorched. At number 2. Uutensil, StirrTime Automatic Pan Stirrer. StirrTime makes things easy with a power on and place function that's perfect for busy home cooks. Place it in your pot or pan, cut the other ingredients, then come back without worrying about burnt-on bits at the bottom. The stirring feet are made of food-safe material that's safe up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. A battery-powered food-safe stirrer with one simple function, to stir your pot while you're moving on to other things. Not too powerful. Meant for thinner soups and sauces. Won't work well with thicker, heartier ones. At number 1. StirMATE, ProdSmart Pot Stirrer Gen 2, Rechargeable. Cleverly designed stirring mechanism automatically adjusts to nearly any sized pot you use it for. Sturdy and well made, with good, consistent stirring action when fully charged, the rechargeable battery charge lasts about 4 hours, and a quiet motor that won't dominate your peaceful, quiet kitchen. A cleverly designed, well-constructed, and powerful automatic pot stirrer that will save you time and energy in the kitchen. The stirring speed is not adjustable and it doesn't work well with very thick mixtures. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.